In this tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to delete a section in the Wix editor. Wix websites are built from individual sections stacked vertically, and each section contains its own layout, design, and elements. As you move your cursor over the page, you'll notice that each part highlights separately. Those are the different sections that make up your site. To delete any section, you have a couple of easy options. The first method is the simplest. Select the section you want to remove and press the delete key on your keyboard. In many cases, Wix will automatically shift the rest of your page upward, closing the gap where that section used to be. However, sometimes the delete key doesn't respond as expected. When that happens, you can use the built-in section settings. Start by clicking anywhere inside the section you want to remove. On the right side of the editor, a section settings panel will appear. This small dialog box allows you to move the section up or down, adjust its layout, edit the content inside, or access additional actions. Click on the option labeled More Actions. Inside this menu, you'll find tools that let you cut, copy, paste, duplicate, and delete sections. Choose the delete option. This performs the same function as pressing the delete key, but it's more reliable when the keyboard shortcut doesn't work. Once the section is deleted, Wix should automatically close the space and pull your content upward. But depending on your page layout, you may notice leftover empty space. This usually happens when padding or spacing from adjacent sections remains in place. If you end up with a gap between sections, hover your cursor between the two remaining sections. When the blue drag handle appears, click and drag it upward or downward to tighten the spacing. This gives you full control over the height between sections. There may also be situations where the space is coming from the top padding of a section. If the top padding is too large, you might not be able to drag it down past a certain point because Wix only lets you reduce padding until it reaches the first element inside the section. To fix this, click inside the section and drag the elements upward. After the content is repositioned, you'll be able to drag the padding handle upward to remove the extra space. The Wix editor is highly flexible, so adjusting spacing often involves a combination of dragging elements, adjusting section padding, and repositioning sections until everything lines up the way you want. And that's all there is to it. Deleting a section in Wix is quick, and even if extra gaps appear, the editor gives you full control to fine-tune the spacing with simple click and drag adjustments.